The ultimate protection. How PC cases can safeguard your computer components. When it comes to protecting your PC components, the most essential thing is investing in a high-quality PC case. The primary reason to invest in a PC case is to protect its components. First and foremost, it protects your expensive computer components from external elements such as dust, moisture, and physical damage. It can protect your computer components, maximize cooling efficiency, and enhance the aesthetics of your computer setup, creating an enjoyable computing experience.